Let us focus on the importance of a clean subfloor prior to installing a floor covering. Unfortunately, sometimes particulate soiling like dirt and grit can get left behind after general cleaning. If the subfloor is not cleaned and vacuumed correctly, these contaminants can have a detrimental effect on the finished installation. Subfloor contamination from building materials like plaster and wood dusts will have a serious effect on the adhesive bond between the subfloor and the floor covering. This type of contamination will significantly affect the adhesive strength, which will reduce its performance in holding the floor covering to the floor. Debris, like grit or a small stone beneath the floor covering, will show up as a high spot. In use, this unevenness will cause soiling and premature wear issues. Even things like a utility knife blade carelessly left on the floor can telegraph through the resilient floor covering, spoiling the visual aesthetic. Fitting a floor covering to a contaminated floor will lead to the long-term integrity of the adhesive bond failing. It can also lead to premature wear of the floor covering and spoil the overall visual aesthetic.